So I guess there's no better time than now to start vlogging about this crazy van that Emily and I bought. Today, working primarily on fiberglassing the shower, as well as a couple other little things, like fixing a tail light, repainting the entire interior just to get that second coat down, and a few other small things. So I actually did this before I even started filming today. But I ripped up a whole bunch of old carpet. I think that's some dry rotted floor down there. Not entirely sure. You can see it was some pretty funky looking stuff. So I purchased this Bondo kit, fiberglass repair kit. I guess it's step 2 out of 4. It includes everything you need except for like gloves and measuring cup and sanding paper. Have about 8 to 12 minutes with fiberglass according to the box. I think I did it right. I'm not really too sure. Supposed to let it sit and cure for about 2 hours now before doing anything else. I'll probably let it sit overnight. Prior to doing this fiberglass, I actually screwed some holes in and then filled it with the great stuff. Do all of this paint, all up here, underneath here. This is also why you leave all your garbage carpeting in until after you're done painting. Don't even worry about putting in flooring because you're gonna make a mess everywhere. Some newspaper, gonna paint these wheel wells, these rims white to match the cab. Let's hope it goes well. One wheel properly taped. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but we'll find out. Got another 3 to go. This is why you always should take off everything before you paint, because now it's going to break the seal right here. And had a super productive day, cleaning up the camper, repainting it, doing a handful of other tasks. So just realized that this is now my 3rd Gatorade for the day. I haven't actually even eaten anything today, so I'm definitely going to get some food.